with a past that seemed to cling to him like a second skin. Several questions occupied Winston's weary mind. Why had the mysterious agent chosen this moment to step out of the shadows? Why did Donovan, that cunning fox, remain silent? But what really twisted the knife were the increasingly intrusive visions. Was he finally losing his mind?
Greetings, fellow Americans. Remember when we had simple combustible rockets? When oil and gas-powered machines were the crowning achievement of modern man? How quaint, but no more. Don't forget, if it wasn't for the brilliant minds of the AEC, we would still be sputtering along in our rudimentary automobiles while breathing in those toxic fumes. While you mind your own busy lives, the Atomic Energy Commission is diligently working on the next revolutionary ideas to enhance your daily comforts. Soon we'll be at the advent of a new paradigm shift, anti-gravity. If that is not the epitome of the future, I don't know what is. Or wouldn't you agree, Winston?
Green is losing its luster as fall takes over once again. We expect the cold weather to stay for the next couple of days, with a few inches of snow a real possibility. On another note, our community's new courier service, We Deliver, is now up and running at full speed. Having luxuries delivered to your doorstep has never been easier. If you need to send your mother-in-law a last-minute greeting card or upgrade your bathroom with that ultra-modern minimalist Nordic bidet, We Deliver got you covered. Well, time for some more music.
Ah, son of a...
So sorry, Mr. Green.
Ah, second goddamn time this month. Ah, swear I'll... See. Wait, huh? What's this? Oh, this can't be good. Oh, this feeling. Am I in the thick of it again?
Damn. Bingo.
It's just a scratch. Oh, crap. Oh, my bad. Oops. My bad.
ranch.
Anyways, so I bailed ship soon as they entered the office. Think I'm gonna hide down here all day.
I wouldn't mind the company. Good morning, Winnie.
Hey, Sarah. Hank.
Morning, bud. Still rocking the biker look, I see.
Don't listen to him, Winnie.
What? I didn't say I disapprove.
Uh-huh.
I don't call it that. I didn't mean. Ugh.
Harold's in his office, but I worry about him, Winston. Could you please try to talk to him? He listens to you, you know.
Me too. I'll give it a shot.
You're the best.
Huh? Harold, are you in there?
I'm sorry, Winston. Bertha will fill you in.
Great. Everything okay?
Thank you, son. Just a bit of a migraine, all.
Okay then. Feel better. Fantastic. Miss Rover it is then. I can't believe that I missed Johnny being in charge of deliveries. Exactly what I needed, I think.
I see you still fail to find your way to a barber shop. Do I sense a hint of insubordination? How wonderful. Or perhaps you would like some directions. Should I draw you a map, Winston? I suppose you believe we should all just let ourselves go and act like a bunch of Neanderthals. Well, I'm scarcely surprised, seeing the level of commitment to proper etiquette here.
Look, Berta, I'm really not in the mood to...
It's Bertha. B-E-R-T-H-A.
Bertha.
Never mind. Let's keep it simple. In fact, you should refer to me as Ms. Rover. Okay then, good talk. Why don't you see if you could make yourself useful and head down to the warehouse? Speak to Mr. Russell. He'll fill you in.
Thank you, Lord, for sparing me some time away from the devil.
Miss Rover shares my vision for a spotless we deliver. I just didn't figure she would have me do the work. Please radio me, Winston, as soon as you can, and I will get the order forms ready.
I'm all set for the next delivery.
Winston, are you there? I just received a bit of a rush job. I need you over at the timber mill in Tip Bend Ridge as soon as possible. Report back to me as soon as you're there.
Oh, yikes.
Fellas, are you tired of those pesky little white flakes raining down from your noggin? Well, worry no more. Introducing Dandy Dandruff Dasher. It's the magical tonic that'll make your scalp as clean as a whistle. Just one drop and bam. No more snow on your shoulders, just smiles and confidence. Remember, folks, with Dandy Dandruff Dasher, you'll be the talk of the town. Get your bottle today and say goodbye to snow days forever.
finally there, Winston. I just got in a rush order for a life net. It's one of those things that firefighters use to catch people jumping from burning buildings. I convinced the timber mill to sell us theirs. It must be around here somewhere. Find it and load it onto your car.
Nice! Hey, watch it! Whoops! I ain't got all day.
Oh, yes, that trampoline we got after the fire. Don't know where it is. It disappeared a few months back as soon as the rain started.
You need to take that thing to Chalk Hill Navy Base. The Navy's holding some huge exercise, but then their life net broke. They were practicing evacuating the control tower and used it to catch people as they jumped out. One of the top brass plunged straight through it, tore it in two. Now they need a new one quickly in order to continue the training exercise.
Admiral, I'm picking up a new target. It appears to be moving, sir, bearing 558 over.
Affirmative, Private. Main Command must want to test how well we handle surprises. Attention all units. Focus fire on the new target. Over.
Jeez! I've got the target in my sights!
Nah, I better be more careful.
I'm coming around for another volley!
Yikes! Survived that, somehow.
I'm coming up on its 6!
Oh, I'm rich. Barely made it out of that one.
You're nuts!
Yikes!
Yikes!
Sir, the target's changing course. Speed's increasing. Could this be part of the drill?
Most likely, Private. Main Command loves throwing curveballs in these exercises. Stay sharp, everyone. This is what we train for.
Should we engage in simulated countermeasures, Admiral?
Yes, prepare simulated defense protocols. Let's show Main Command our readiness.
Crap.
Barely made it out of that one.
Bingo! You're nuts!
Now get out of here, courier! Next time I catch you around here, I'm press ganging you into the potato peeler platoon!
Maybe you could learn a thing or two from the military. I didn't serve myself, despite a valiant effort. A nasty sprain at the last minute, you see. Really unfortunate timing.
Oops! Jack Franks!
Is it just me, or does Donovan seem more tense lately?
What? Donovan? Hadn't noticed. Oh, hey, Winnie. Care to join the Donovan bandwagon?
Oh, Hank.
Of course, I'm his biggest fan, after all.
Come on, guys. What's with the two of you anyways, Winnie?
Oh, I think he just hates my guts. Happy for him, really. I mean, we're starting to worry he didn't have any feelings.
Is Harold okay? Did you speak to him? He left early today, coughing as he went. He seems,
Yeah, he said he had a migraine, but I don't know. Hey, look,
Maybe it's time for him to...
What, step down? Harold is We Deliver, Hank. What would happen if he retires?
Sure, I'm just saying he's not getting any younger is all.
Well, anyways, we won't keep you with all this gossip, Winnie. Talk to you later.
Mr. Martinez was generous enough to spare me one of these. State of the art. We've got our fair share of trade secrets here at We Deliver. Who knows what would happen if they got out? You should wear one, Winston. We have to stay vigilant against corporate spies.
I think Bertha's upstairs. Was there anything else, Your Highness? Otherwise, I'm heading home.
My, oh my. I believe my right hand is cramping up from all the note-taking today. Sad to say, I'm very disappointed in all of your performances today.
Not much of a surprise there. Why are you writing down every single thing, by the way? Memory starting to fail you?
Look who's talking. I've seen you scribbling diligently in that journal of yours. That's right. I see everything. Bet there are some juicy bits in there. What I wouldn't give to take a peek at it.
And how exactly would that happen? What, you gonna murder me? Pry it out of my dead hands? I bet you couldn't even tear wet toilet paper if your life depended on it.
What is this, a stage show? Get back to work, people. And you just stepped in it big time, mister.
Come in.
Well?
I believe our elusive Mr. Booker, I'm sorry, Mr. Green, stacks more skeletons in his closet than your average mausoleum.
We already knew that. Cut to the chase.
Have a look. So I'm sitting there. A vehicle pulls up. Not Winston's, mind you, but dark, flashy. A man exits. Big black gentleman by the look of it. Flashlight in hand. Picks the lock like nobody's business and enters. Spends 20 minutes in there searching for something until...
Winston arrives?
Mm-hmm. Now, if you were Winston, what would you do?
Waited till I knew I had the upper hand?
Right. Winston, he just grabs a mallet and goes inside. Pretty bold, if you ask me. Sound familiar?
Very funny. What, you admire the guy now?
Don't be silly. Anyhow, a minute later, our mystery man backs out. Gun on Winston. Drives away.
You're shitting me. Tell me you followed him.
What am I, an imbecile? Of course I did. Oh, and I found this in Winston's trailer earlier today.
The future's in our hands. AEC. Just like the document I found.
Mm-hmm.
The journal he always writes in. I need you to get it somehow. Fantastic job, Gordon. Thank you.
Don't mention it. About time I dusted off the old tools of the trade, so to speak.
It's time to pay this guy a little visit.
No, I should head home to my trailer.
Hey there, gents. Do ladies giggle when you flex? With Mighty Max Muscle Molder, it's time to wave goodbye to those noodle arms. Our patented program transforms the scrawniest Joe into the town's Hercules in just weeks. With our product, you won't just pass the muster. You'll be the talk of every barbecue. Don't be a dud, be a stud. Mighty Max Muscle Molder.
Watch out! Just a scratch. Brakes! If I'm all done for today, I should head to bed. What happened to my poster? Why am I even surprised? I guess the rejection letters didn't seem worth stealing, huh?
Hey! I know you're here! We have mutual interests, you and I. Come on, I haven't got all day, you asshole. Damn it, I'm freezing my ass off here! I know where to find what you're looking for, okay? I'll deliver it to you. On one condition.
Go on then, Mr. Gurther. Speak.
I'll get you what you want. That's what I do. Deliver things, get shit done. In return...
I ain't got all day, and you've got 2 seconds.
You see this? I want in on this.
All I see is a very confused man about to get shot while waving a piece of paper around like an idiot. I advise you, think carefully about whatever comes out of that mouth of yours next.
You paid him a visit, yet you're still here. Why is that? Let me guess. Not on too friendly terms with your boss at the moment. Don't want to come back empty-handed?
You're out on very treacherous waters, Mr. Gurther. You've got no clue how deep it goes. What's your angle?
I'll help you get what you want if you'll introduce me to the man in charge. I know where he keeps his most well-guarded secrets.
Very well, Mr. Gurther. I'll play ball. For now.
A smart move.
You better hope so.
Winston stood at a crossroads, shrouded in uncertainty and danger. The thought of flight crossed his mind, but that would certainly alarm Donovan and propel him straight to the authorities. Contrary, to stay meant Donovan would eventually peel back the layers of his carefully guarded secrets.
Shit! Oh, God!
Thus, however risky, Winston turned to his final beacon of hope, Harold, the only friend left in his corner. He placed his bets on a slim chance that Harold possessed the influence to coerce Donovan into backing down.